Welcome back, all of you. Today in the session, we discuss about the new network topology, or you can say in the current network topology. All time already we discuss, and that network very clear. Uh, in the traditional network, local communication between user and you have a lot of method. Landline is the traditional method. Then it become in the mobile communication as a point of customer they only think changing technology their communication is mobile is similar same as per previous but not each and everything will be changed now. Yesterday we discussed one personality, Mr. Sam Petroda. He is well known in Indian telecom advisor since from uh, Prime Minister Mr. Gandhi to till time Manmohan government also. So on suggestion of technical advisor Mr. Sam Petroda in 2005, he just give the suggestion that time our Prime Minister Mr. Manmohan sir, if you want internet each and everybody, so definitely you go for new network. Old network is not support high bandwidth internet. And line is okay. There is no problem. Optical fiber, copper wire, wireless connectivity between customer to the exchange, there is no problem. But system available for communication like switch, like DTAC switch, it only support for maximum communication, telecommunication, voice communication each and other. But upcoming time, every people go for the data communication. In this regard, we change new types of devices like router and switch. So definitely, old technology network will be replaced with the new technology and new network also implemented and reduce complexity of the old traditional network. So in this case, he just use of the router. Router is another name of router is the mini supercomputer. Already told all of you. And already one more thing, as your home, if you Wi-Fi modem, so before their name, router word is used in the today. Router Wi-Fi, router modem. Basically, that are Wi-Fi either modem. Router why? Because some feature of router implemented in this router, in this Wi-Fi, in this modem. So that feature, if available in this Wi-Fi, in this modem, yeah, other smart devices, they told automatically. You can say automatically them devices router modem, router switch, router AC. So what is the router? In the simple language, this is the mini supercomputer and look like upcoming time in my this presentation you can see in 2005 on suggestion of Mr. Sam Petroda, new network will be introduced and this new network basically focus in the new network. Internet is the first line and telecommunication is the secondary option. This telecommunication on the new line known as VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. Are you well aware about like WhatsApp call, Facebook call? This is a VoIP, and most important, in 2016 introduced the Geo, Reliance Geo. Geo is a completely based on the VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. If you all use geo communication system to find when internet when you calling to each other directly on the number, that time your internet is break. Either you can go for the internet, either you go for the calling system. This is the drawback as per a new data communication, but mostly we and new people, internet is the first preference, so we can ignore such types of minor problem. So now just discuss in 2005 router. This is a router. In the BSNL is the main role player of new technology and today and future also. Uh, there are three types of router in use in the India and across the world also. All router are same, but depend on the money, depend on the processor speed. Their cost is very high. So the main router used as the 12,000 series in the BSNL you can send in India in 2005. And price cost of this router is that time 2 crore rupees for one router. Another below low efficiency router, this is the provider edge router. Second types of router is known as the provider edge. You can say P router, and another name is the also ISP router in the today time. What is meaning of ISP? Internet service provider. You can say BSNL, Reliance, Airtel, Vodafone, like this. These all are known as ISP. Okay, and most the below low level router is known as the customer edge router, C router. You can say C router also. Okay, in the short code. All router are same, just like because these are computer, so you can say some computer only 40,000, some computer is the 50,000, some computer 1 lakh rupees, some 2 lakh rupees. So similarly, depend on the efficiency, depend on the processor speed, depend on the facilities, these router costs will be high. So definitely core router, provider router and edge router, out of three router, core router by the name you can see it is the main router you can say, and this is the whole national line. And provider edge is the ISP router. This router basically used by the ISP that give the internet all of you. And customer edge router, in your college campus you use Wi-Fi, college Wi-Fi. So that time this Wi-Fi internet of your college campus management by the customer edge router. So now just a diagram you can see, a basic diagram for this. On your screen, you can see such types of configuration in 2005 onward and 2006 by default. First transmit BSNL broadband, then come Airtel broadband, and in the 2016 Reliance Jio, this network used for the today mobile communication system for all of you. Okay, so this is very simple. At Indian level, uh, we discuss here ki how many router, how to in the current network. In this network, we can use the core router. Core router is available in the different part of India. You can see on the screen Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai. Uh, these all are connectivity between via the optical fiber. These all are optical fiber, and you can say कि this is the one computer, and this is the national line. This line is also known as the NIB2, National Internet Backbone 2. Doesn't matter which company give to internet, each and every one go for the core router. It is also another name of this core router is the MPLS line. Okay, here we discuss about current network of India, and this such type network is available in the whole world. So during today, we just use of the router. So these router is located different location of the country. You can see on the screen there is the Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, and Kolkata. These all are connectivity between optical fiber, uh, and suppose this is the one computer, this is another computer. So I think all you are aware, if network is making as per your book, which types of this network topology. Network topology means ring, star, mesh. So Helikar, you know, aware about this various types of network topology you can see in the books. Already a study, yes, I know about network topology. Which type of network topology this? One computer, the router treat as a one computer, and one computer connected to the remaining all computer directly and indirectly. So such types of topology name is what? What name of such types of topology? This is the basically mesh topology. Why mesh topology? Mesh topology is that ki suppose in case this is the fail, Mumbai router is fail. Yes, there is some problem in this cable. So we have another option for movement. You go for this router and go for this. You go for the another router. Basically, this is the national line. Any router is failure. That means the whole internet, whole telecommunication line will be disturbed in the India. Okay, so this is a national, and also in the same time there is at least two router is available in the core router, each and every location. So at a time, one router is the idle mode and another is the working mode. So after some time, this is the become idle mode and another is the working mode. Because this alternate arrangement, we try to 100% 24-hour services in India or communication system, either internet, either telecommunication. Now the current time, whole new network is that look like this. And second is the router, this core router, the second router is connected. This is the provider edge router. This is a P router. You can say ISP router. This router, this mechanism not deal by the private organization. By default, such network managed by the BSNL in the current time. You can say doesn't matter your service from other company like Reliance Jio, like Airtel, like Vodafone. Finally, all are come to the this main line. Okay, so you indirectly say BSNL is the backbone as for all network in the current time. But public think BSNL is in the local level there is issue. I know very know this is a local level there will be problem. Why problem you are now very easily understand. So now second first I can go ahead. This is the provider router. This is ISP router. This router any company can be purchased and installed in the company for the communication system. So recently, a lot of router purchased by the Reliance Jio company, and they set up in the different city, huge amount, huge from bank, take as a debt, and make a try to the complete network in whole city command. And suppose in your college, this is a your college campus, there is one is a customer is router. Your at your home, you can use one single phone, mobile phone, directly go for the internet. But in your college campus, if you want a lot of communication system, lot of Wi-Fi connect to the your devices. In this case, your college just go to the ISP and apply a form. He need internet for the college campus. In this case, one router will be installed in your college campus, and this router is the known as the customer edge router. And this router connect to the cable. This cable is a basically LAN cable, and one switch, another switch, different types of switch here connected. and this switch is connected to the your computer. This switch connected to the Wi-Fi, and your mobile phone connected the Wi-Fi. Currently in Reliance Jio communication, simply network is the same, just use of this switch and disconnect by the mobile tower, and it is your mobile phone. That is the current time communication system, and basically it start first time VoIP communication by the Reliance Jio. So this is Reliance phone. You connect from this phone this tower. If you have Geo connection, then it go to the switch, router, one router, another router, same time another side, same return back and reverse back. So this is the basically connection today time, the communication very simple. So today network is very simple. Core network, that is the NIB2. This is the common for all. Second is the provider edge router. This is the ISP router. This is the managed by the ISP own level after getting license and permission from government. And in the college campus, if you want, suppose Hilika, if you want uh, set up a engineering college, in this case, your college implies hostel area and different location want to internet. In this case, you just go to the any company, any ISP, and just request him कि I want 100 Mbps, 200 Mbps internet speed. In this case, they provide 100. This line is optical fiber. All line is optical fiber from this router and below. And there one router is set up in your college campus. This router either purchased by the college, either on the rent basis from the ISP, and this connectivity and go for further location different managed by the in the inside. So we our next week session, this is a complete practical phenomena we can do to the practically by help of the simulator, and how to security feature implemented in the campus. So it is our part of the syllabus we discuss time to time, upcoming time. Now, so this is a current network, and very easy understand. Today only two main network, no main devices. One is the router, one is the switch, and this router is switch in today time basically just like computer operating system software. Router is also a mini supercomputer. No doubt, they have powerful operating system, and all router must basically which types of operating system used in the world. Normally, iOS, Apple Mac operating system. India is a very good country. We have all types of operating system used. Normally, our desktop computer, laptop computer, you with Microsoft Windows. In the server computer, we can use the Linux operating system. In mobile phone, Linux operating system, Android phone. And in the networks, for the network purpose, these router and switch use of the operating system iOS, Apple Mac. So definitely all types of operating system you can easily see here in the our India. Okay. Now come back IP address for the further. Yesterday we discussed the telephony number system. Today we divided IP address in the two part. IP address, ठीक है? Two part one. Today we go for the part one. Simply the new version of telephone number. Either you can say the binary version of telephone number is known as IP address. Okay. So IP address is nothing. The new version of telephone number already last session a lot of time use such word. Now listen very carefully. Year 2005 before before year 2005 only one word. This is the IP address. And internet in the whole world, even in India, is initial phase. Before 2005, internet is not too much popular. It is the very less used. But in 2005, that time our technical advisor already tell her name, his name, Sam Petroda. Upcoming time, each and every devices required to connect internet. So definitely they all have IP address. Yeah, you can say they all have telephone number. So before 2005, normally IP address, this is basically 32 bits of binary. So in general manner, this is the limited number of IP. How many decimal possible? 2 की power 32, permutation combination, different types of possibilities. So this number of IP is limited, but upcoming time you can today you can easy to see each and every device, your computer, your mobile phone, your at home appliance like AC, fan, and other devices of your home door, each and every device, even your car, bike, vehicle is also IP based. So 32 bits old IP is not sufficient. So in this case, we are lucky. IPv that time this IP address renomenature IPv4. Old IP address is, yeah, you can say old IP address is known as IPv4, and this is the 32 bit. Because due to the limited number of IP, we need change the new IP address. So after 2005, uh, IP divided into two parts. Old IP, this is IPv4, that is 32 bits. 128 bits new IP address introduced in the market, and this is the known as IPv6. Okay, and because this developed by other country, but you are all make a proud this IPv6 develop and training and introduced first time in the practical field by India, and this is LTTC Ghaziabad. You go to the Google search and you find out from here LTTC Ghaziabad we have a lab about this IPv6 around 400 crore rupees, and we day by day and daily help of the some researchers. They belong to the IIT Kanpur. We just migrate IPv4 into IPv6. You can say old IP to new IP. Okay, and we all are try to IPv6 in different permutation and combination and different types of logic. So this become infinite number of IP address possible. So you just think ki IP address telephone number. So easy to understand. Old before 2005, old telephone number, and after new telephone number. Old telephone number you can say IPv4, new telephone number you can say IPv6. Okay. And in today time, anybody if asks to you for internet, which we IP use? General, I ask to all of you, if current time, which IP address used by you, your mobile phone, what types of IP? IPv4, either IPv6? Give the answer, please. Current time, which IP address in your mobile phone? Yeah, you can say what is the standard internet IP address? IPv4, IPv6? Yes, Hilik, are you there? Current time, till time, the new IP address, this is the IPv6 is not used. This is the only local level used, but international level and globally internet used by the IPv4. IPv4, this is the standard IP address for communication till time. Okay, till time internet. Okay. We just go for the migration is continue. Hopefully in 2025, it will be completely migrate in the new IP address. Okay. I want to unmute someone, then some of the questions, and this is a very easy question. Just in your daily life, you can give the easy and possible answer. Anyone? Yes, Silicate IPv4 is the standard IP address, whole the world. I just give an example. You give the answer, all of you. In your college, in your classroom, you have 32 students. You are 32 students in classroom. I came in your classroom and just introduce and just instruct to all of you and request to all of you. I have 8 different tasks, four different tasks. I have the four different work for all of you, and I request to all of 32 students, please complete this work uh, for 2 days within the 2 days. Again, I repeat, I came in the classroom. In classroom, there are 32 students, and just announcement, I have four tasks for all of you, and I request to all of you, please complete these tasks within the 2 days. If student realize there is no effect completion of these tasks, they can do any types of negative effect if they don't do this work. So my question is that if your batch realize there is no work, no problem, so is work is completed, yes or no? Yes, Ilika, tell me work is over, yes or no? If work is not interest for all of your batch, it is possible, yes or no? This is not easy to complete because this work is not interest for all of you. But I want to complete this work. So in this case, what we can do, I have give the some opportunities for all of you. Just come in the classroom and there are 32 students. I just divided eight group of 4 students, eight group of the 4 group, eight student of 4 group. And I give the task group A, this for this one group, this work for the group A, this work for the group B, and this work for the group C, and this work for the group D. Okay. And just give the opportunity for all of you, which group complete work first, they give the holiday and leave, and also give the 100% marks in your upcoming Viva exam. Now in this case, there will be competition, all of these batches and the group, and try to all complete in as a fast. So same manner, 32 bits, this is a binary system. If I write look like 11001110001111, so this is not easy to understand and handle. Okay, so in this case what we can do, just this group divided in the four part. These are 32 bits. 32 bits we divided in that four part. Part A, part B, yeah, you can say uh, simply four part. 8 group, 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit. Okay. One group now consider. This one group just consider. What is a starting bit of one group? All bits are 0. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the next bit? Next digit? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And finally, all bits are 1. So basically, these all are binary, but one group are 8 bit. So if, as per human, we and you just understand for this decimal right. Decimal value of doesn't matter how many number of bits are 0. Finally, this is the 0. And if all bits are 1, so this is the become 255. Okay, this is a 255. So you can say now here IP address IPv4, just na currently IPv4. This is a 32 bit, and this each and every bit divided in the four different group. So one group is normally 192.168.5.4. Okay, so I have IP address in normally A, B, 254.2 dot 2.3.8, C, 0.2.53, D, 256.2.3.10. If asked all of you which IP address is not possible in ABCD, again I repeat, every block is 8 bits of binary. All bits are 0. Initial 32 bits IP address divided in the four part. Again repeat, then again give the answer. This divided in the four part. All is the 8 bits. Okay, 8 bits group. So just one bit, one group is the all starting bits is the 0, and maximum all bits are the 1. In the case of the decimal, this is the 0 and go to the maximum value 255. Okay. So now, if you understand this scenario, so in this case, which IP address is not possible in out of 4? Option C. Very nice. Why? Again, listen my this point. Remember, one block is a starting bit is the 0, maximum bit is the 255. So why C? Every block is the follow my this rule. Which block is not follow my rule? Yes, option D. Because maximum possible value is the 255. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, thank you. Any doubt, again you can discuss each other. Okay, first is that. Another thing, now I just write on your screen something 03071979. I just write one thing on your screen. My question is, what is this? What is this? Give the answer, please. I just write 03.07.197. I don't know what is this. If I ask all of you, what is this? What I write here? What is your answer? Yes, Silika. Are you sure what is this? Yeah, can you able to say anything ki this is what? Just imagine and tell me. Because this is, I just write here something. So it is not easy to say ki what is this. This is a question mark. I don't know what is this. But this is some information, some data. This is known as the data. But this data is, I don't know what is this. It may be some ID, it may be date of birth, it may be some uh, symbol, it may be possible, but I don't know what is. But if I write DOB, and then in this case, now all are sure this is the date of birth. Okay, this is again DOB is also there. So this is known as the information. The first you are just simply everything available in the universe, that is data. It may be voice, it may be text, it may be video, it may be, everything is the data. Okay, but if data become meaningful, this is the data, this is the data, but this is not meaning, so this is the not information. If data become meaningful, this complete DOB is equal to 303, so now this data become information. So keep in the mind, in the communication system, we always exchange information. If you exchange data, there is no meaning. Okay, data is also transmit possible, but always we sharing information. So same, why give this example? Because I write here 192.168.5.4. I just tell you this is IP address. Okay, it may be IP address, but information is incomplete. This information is not complete. If you go to the purchase IP address of coming time, so definitely when you go the ISP, so he give the IP address 192.165.4/24, either 192.168.5.4 class C. You purchase the IP address, so never this is the incomplete. Either this form, either this. But in the current time, this form is available for the purchasing. Y24 we discuss now. Okay. So again repeat IP address. When we IP address going for understand, the first simply this is the 32 bits divided in the 8 group, 4 group of 8 bits, or as per this, according to this, your IP address is just like this. And in this case, I help you the PPT. It is easy for all of you. Now understand for this PPT. Okay. IP address normally when going for the purchasing, so always given in the this form. So in our screen, this IP address, this is the known as the CIDR notation. You can always, such types of IP is known as CIDR, classless inter-domain routing, router. ठीक है ना? So doesn't matter, but you just keep in the mind the IP address in the today time /25. So now understand, as per telephone number, telephone number 911207555164. Are you well remember last session? This telephone number in the divided in the two part. This is the fixed part and this is the customer part. Okay. Any telephone number divided into two parts. Same, this IP address is just new version of telephone number. So same, this IP address is also divided in the two part. One part is the fixed part, and this fixed part is decided this IP address belong to where in the world. And second part, just like customer serial number, same is the serial. So how to know this information is known as the fixed part. If this information is not available, you can't able to say how many bits are the fixed part. So now this is the fixed part, and another name of the fixed part bits is the network bits. So this is the basically IP address just divided in the four group. Okay, this is a four group. As per from left hand side to right hand side, this 24 bit is the fixed bit. So here mark a fix, 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 and last 8 bit is the here. This is 24, and last 8 bit is the variable bit. This is a basically customer bit. As per new technology, new data communication, customer name is replaced by the host or your client. What do you think? This is the customer. Okay. So now is the network bit is the fixed bit. So same manner, what is the first telephone number here? Doesn't matter what is value of 164, just 000. What is the last telephone number? 999. So similarly, what is the here starting bit? Doesn't matter what is the value of this. So this is the 00, and all bits are 1. So if we write this 117.23.12.24, this is the first IP address. The first telephone number 911202755500. Why we use of the first telephone number? This telephone number not given to customer. This is used as the exchange ID. So same in the new time, the first IP address is known as the network ID. This not given to customer. This is network ID. And similarly, last, this is the 255. This is the broadcast ID in the telephone exchange, 999. So this is the basically network ID or broadcast ID. If any IP address, suppose again tomorrow again repeat this CD session in the, suppose I have 192.168.5.4/24. So always you remember as per telephone number, what is the network ID? B is the broadcast ID, and C is the IP range, sometime telling pool. Okay. So today just the 3 point, tomorrow 2 more. So in this case, what is the network ID? Very simple manner. The first IP address. How to calculate? From left hand side to right hand side, first 24 bits. First 24 bits is fixed. So in this case, 192 fixed, 168 fixed, 5 fixed. Doesn't matter, last 8 bit is 0/24. This is the network ID. Broadcast ID, this is the last IP address. This is the 192.168.5. This is the fixed part you can't change like telephone number. This is a 255/24. And another thing is that IP range in the telephone number 000 and 999 not given, from 1 to 998 is given to the customer 0012 to 998. In this case, IP range 192.168.5.1 to 192.168.5.254. The total number of computer, laptop, any user you can connect for internet in this network only 254, 1 to 254, like telephone 1 to 998 customer. So this is the basic idea in the part 1 session today about IP address. And again conclusion, total IP address in the world is IPv30, IPv4 in currently used as a internet global IP, and this is the divided in the 4 part for the human understanding, 8 bit of each group. and one group is maximum value, minimum value is 0, maximum value is the 255. So IP address possibilities as per according this range. And if I go for IP address, so 192.168.5.4/24, this is a mechanism to the writing either purchasing. And this IP is similarly divided into two part, fixed part and customer part. Fixed part is not changed as like a telephone number. Customer part decided the number of IP. So in this case, /24 network ID is the 0 not given, and 25 the last IP possibilities, and range 1 to 254. So this is a part 1. We can discuss tomorrow in the part 2. Okay. So more and more. So you just see this video once more, and tomorrow we discuss some with question for you, and then we go for the practical session. So without IP address, we can't able to go for any practical session. IP address is the most important because communication in the today's scenario without IP address not possible, just like telephone number. So again, see you tomorrow. Any question, any doubt in your mind for this session, you can ask. So can you see tomorrow? Okay. Thank you.